Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to measure distance between two or more points using the Google Map app on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Connecting your device to the Wi-Fi, simply open your Google Map application. After opening your Google Map application, you will simply click on this icon and it shows the location where you are. And below that, you will see the arrow button. Simply click on that and here it asks the location which you want to measure the distance. Simply choose the destination. I'll choose this destination and the map will show you the distance between where you at and the distance where to go. It shows from the vehicle you need 13 minutes to transport and by walking it's 43 minutes and it's 3.1 kilometer to reach there. And that's how you measure distance using Google Maps on your phone. If this helps, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips and see you in the next one.